Just hold on to the next job. Whew. Absolutely roasting outside. Hello.
Mr. Hill, good to see you.
Good to see you. How are you?
Not too bad, yourself?
Ah, good. Just busy. These cars, you need to have open bonnet to do the diagnosis. Okay, ignition is on. Oh, the coolant's below minimum. It's the first thing I notice. Pipes are not pressurized. Let's just save this. Cylinder 2 glow plug circuit. Vehicle. Glow plug. Glow plug.
Glow plug is gone?
Yeah. On.
Definitely. Okay, I'll see you later then.
Yeah. Okay, fix it today then, yeah?
Yeah, okay, then keep the key, yeah.
Right. I'll be back then.
It's our like Christmas. So
Ah! Got the parts. That worked well. Hello? Ah, no, I forgot to call you. The car was done, yeah. Yeah, I left it for you.
Right, okay. If I have any more issues, I'll give you a ring. Thanks for
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, let me know.
Perfect.
You should be fine. No problem. Enjoy your day. You too.
See you
Bye-bye.
later.
They usually don't come off loose that easy, but I'll go back in. Put it back in. Ignition is on. This car is done. Was 10 minutes into the part shop and 10 minutes back. Fit the glow plug and the car is ready to be back in the good hands.